My name is Wes Sparks, and I'm a graduate of the Bachelor's Program of Advanced Networking and Data Security at TCC. Before I attended TCC, I was just a recent high school graduate, and I went to the IT program, and I found a home there, both in the work that I love doing, as well as the people that I got to work with. What you learn in the associate's program applies also to the bachelor's program. You're going to have the same teachers, you're going to have the same faculty, it's going to be a lot of the same knowledge, it's just going to be advanced.
We had a lot of students who were at the associate's degree level, and there was a need in the industry and in the area to be able to supplement that. We structured it so that it could advance their careers to that next level.
You're going to get more into the data side of things. You're going to be learning about big data, how to process data, and then on the security end, you're going to get more into forensics.
In order to be able to mimic the production environment on a real network, we provide them remote access to our systems. So we are not burdening them with additional out-of-pocket costs for their own hardware, and they can access a remote 24/7, and they don't need much more than a tablet. All of our third and fourth year classes are in the evenings during the week, starting at 6 p.m. So students can go home after work, and then we have a live Zoom class session. There's lecture, there's group discussions, there's a lot of interaction.
It was very supportive. If you didn't know the answer to something, there was somebody there who was willing to step in and help.
We've formed a great team of faculty and support staff that really are committed to the success of our students. If you want to do this, you will be able to do it, and we will support you.
When I got the degree, I noticed a lot of businesses were more interested in talking to me and interviewing me and seeing what I know. I work in the IT department at a school district, and I love being able to work with people, solve their problems, and just be able to make their day better. For people who are considering the program and they're not 100% sure, come talk to the faculty, come talk to the students. In my experience, Tacoma Community College is a place to figure out who you want to be in life.